name is Johnetta Ross, and I have lived in the Round Rock area now for over 20 years. This is my original house that I moved in when I came to Round Rock. I've raised 2 children, they're grown and gone, but I really love my house, and I have gotten kind of to the age where, you know, there's no one here. I live by myself, and it's very easy to let things go, but they build up, and before you know it, you have a condemned house on your hands.
I'm Wanda Moore. We lived in Round Rock for about 47 years or so. Our house has been pretty run down in the last 5 or 6 years. We just didn't have the finances, and the air conditioner was just on its last legs. Because for the last 2 years, we've only used our fireplace for heat. That's all the heat we had. We had vice grips on our bathroom, on our tubs, because we couldn't get them to turn off because we're just not strong enough or, you know, able to do that. The porch was really bad. I kind of walked around it because I was afraid I was gonna fall through, and I wouldn't even hardly let him go out on it at all. And now we have a whole new porch, and we've sat out there, so he said, this is so nice. He can get out of the house now. It's wonderful, because now I don't have to worry about falling through and hollering for him to come help me. Because of this program, we can stay in our home where we feel comfortable and be secure in our home. We won't worry so much about falling, and we can go in our yard and enjoy ourselves, and we will stay here a lot longer.
I heard about this program from a friend, and she just told me, well, why don't you apply for this? Nothing lost but a try. I have a few medical issues. The contractors were very understanding about my schedule with the doctors, and they came in and identified things within the grant that they could do for my house. It's really hard getting down steps. The grant provided me with a ramp so I can get out into the back and just be out there, be out and get my vitamin D, and also my side fence. It was falling down. The front gate would not close on the side. They came in and they put a new fence in, put a new fence all the way down the side, and that was one of the things that I couldn't see me being able to not only do but afford. I haven't seen any stray cats and dogs that used to come through the fence. A lot of people hold on to information, but when we help each other in our community is one of the most important things. The grant is designed to help people get out of their house and not just be housebound, even if they just go out on the back and in a wheelchair and just sit out and look at God's goodness. Information and communicating is very important when you know you need to help others know.